Hey everyone, in today's video, we are revealing a secret WhatsApp trick you can use in order to read WhatsApp messages without letting the sender know. So you can just go over and use this privacy method. So let's just get started for that. So the first thing you can do is you can head over to WhatsApp, open up WhatsApp for that. And from here, you can go access your settings. Look out for the three dot in the top right corner once you are logged in the top. And once you tap on it, a menu pops up. You can just go over and select the option for settings and tap on it. And that should open up the settings of your WhatsApp. From here, you can go over to the option called account and tap on it. And you can from here or go to privacy under account. So you can directly look out for account option if you do not have privacy. But if you have privacy, you can select the option of privacy. And once you select it up, you just need to go over and scroll down and turn off the read receipts. So you can turn it off by tapping on the toggle option right beside it. When you turn it off, that will stop others from seeing when you have read their messages. But what you need to keep in mind is that you also won't be able to see theirs. So if you send message, it will show read status in group chats, but not in a personal chat. So you can just go over and do so. This is a feature available if you wanna um, go ahead and not reveal WhatsApp messages without letting the sender know, or you can just go over and use notifications for that. So you can go over and turn on notification for WhatsApp, but if it is not turned on, you may just go over and hold it up and go to the info section at the top. And once you go over there, you can go over and turn on the notification, tap on notification, and allow it. When you do so, the notification will be available in the preview message, so you can read it out without even opening up the WhatsApp itself. And that's it. So therefore, these are some of the methods available if you want to read the messages without being seen on WhatsApp. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.